Good morning, everyone. This is day 4 of my back spasm. But thankfully, today I'm feeling so much better. In fact, I don't have any pain in my back area. I figured out that the day before I get the back spasm, I went for my afternoon walk, and the last 5 minutes of my walk I decided to run because recently I feel like I need to run sometimes, not just walk. So I'm preparing my body for a nice run every day, but unfortunately my body is not used to running and that 5 minutes run caused my back spasm. In fact, I have inflammation inside my hip right next to my sciatica nerve. That's why I had this back spasm, if that makes sense, because it was basically pinching my sciatica nerve, and yeah, which was causing me that horrible pain. So I still have some pain here in my hip, which is the inflammation after running. Yeah, I get inflammation so easily when I do certain activities, like running, jumping, or lifting things heavier than 2 or 3 kilos. Yeah, I should be careful with that. So I'm getting better. I can move my body, but I have this clicking sound in my hip still hurting a little bit. It shouldn't be that serious. So I've decided to go to the beach today. Yes, so I'm going to Gold Coast City because we don't have beach in here and in Brisbane. So we have to go to the Gold Coast to enjoy a nice beach day. Today is really nice and sunny. On the Gold Coast it is going to be sunny, but here it's partly cloudy. Yeah, so today is also Thursday, which means I can go and enjoy a very late night shopping, which I'm so excited. So now it is almost 11 a.m. I'm going to the beach. It's gonna take us 1 hour to get to the Gold Coast, to the beach. And then I'm gonna be there for 2 or 3 hours, enjoying the sunshine on the beach. And then after finishing at the beach, and we're gonna go and have a shopping day. I don't have any particular things in mind to buy. I just go and browse, and sometimes if there is something on sale, I get it if I need it or I like it. Mostly it's going to be clothes shopping, okay? Because I've recently donated all of my clothes and I'm buying new pieces, neutral, basically capsule wardrobe type of staples. So let's go and enjoy a day out at the beach. We are going to get something to drink while at the beach. The matcha. At the beach. It is too windy here as usual. little cute spot here. There are some villas here near the beach. Restaurant to have lunch. We're sitting outside. Food is here. This is beef. That is also, I think, beef. Ooh, nice. I was just recording a fashion video and the sun was coming and going and coming and going, and it ruined my video, I think. I'm not sure, I have to check the footage. But yeah, this is one of the outfits I was recording. It was like a try on haul kind of video. Yeah, so now I'm gonna go wash my face and go for my afternoon walk because it is almost 5, and after that I have to come back home and cook for myself something for dinner.